today's beach day. I am so excited to be going to the ocean. This is the outfit that I have on. I literally bought this yesterday from a cute little beach store, so I'm already wearing it today. Already getting great use of it. Anyways, I did have a little mishap this morning. If you didn't see that, go in the next vlog, or go to the last vlog. I'll be phone vlogging the rest of this vacation, and that is why I'm very late to the beach. But that is okay, because any time at the ocean is well spent. So I'm gonna get to it. I already packed my cooler bag. I just need to grab my umbrella and my other bags, and I will be spending the rest of the evening at the beach. I plan on watching the sunset there and literally not leaving this place until it's dark. So yeah, let's go. Good morning from Florida's bumper to bumper traffic. I am attempting to drive to Veince Beach right now because I'm scuba diving this morning. I'm going to be scuba diving for shark teeth. I have never gone on a dive to get something. Like, I've always dove to like caves or like statues or fish, obviously, but I've never dove with intention of doing something else. So I'm super excited. Like I said, I am stuck in traffic, so I hope that I make it on time. But like I said, am super excited. So hopefully I can set up my dive GoPro and get all the shots that you can see. So I will see ya in the water a little bit later. My dive was absolutely amazing. I literally couldn't really see very far. It was like literally 5 feet in front of me that I could see, but I did find shark teeth. I got a lot of conch shells. It was so cool. It was so gorgeous. The water felt great. I did end up leaving early because the surge was kind of like taking me back and forth, and I was like, I do not want to throw up underwater, so I ended up surfacing. But now I'm at a gorgeous, gorgeous beach in Venice, and I'm gonna hang out for the day. I have some Subway that I literally picked up before I got here, and I'm planning on just watching a sunset here. So yeah, It's sunny, it's like 85 degrees. I already applied sunscreen. Obviously getting ready to go to the beach per usual. I did get a little bit of color yesterday, but I am probably going to be hanging out around my umbrella today because I probably need some time away from the sun. But before I go to the beach, which I'm probably going to go to the same spot I was the other day, I am going to go to the Seabird Sanctuary. And the Seabird Sanctuary is something that I love going to. I have literally was there a decade ago. And the story behind the Seabird Sanctuary is that when we were staying down here in, I think it was Indian Rocks technically, my brothers were fishing off of our little dock that we had because we were like on the bay. And my little brother noticed, I think we all noticed, that there was this pelican that just hung out there all day, like on a post. My little brother had seen something shiny in his wing and ended up being a fishing hook. So we decided to call a like a bird rescue place. It ended up being the Seabird Sanctuary, and they came and got the bird and then hopefully rehabilitated him and then released him. We named him Tuffy, by the way. But we always go there when we're here to kind of support them. It is, I believe, the last time I went was free to go in. It is kind of like my last full day on this half of the coastal side, but I am planning to kind of go to the beach a little bit tomorrow and then going to see the rest of my family tomorrow, which I'm also super excited about. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. It's kind of later afternoon. I literally laid in bed, missed breakfast this morning, but that's okay. I'm on vacation time, so it doesn't matter. Like I said, I probably could use some time out of the sun anyways. But yeah, a little beach day. Probably going to finish my book. That is the main objective today as far as doing stuff at the beach. But I'm gonna apply some sunscreen and go from there. So welcome to my beach day. The perfect beach morning, beach afternoon, spending my last few hours by the ocean. However, it is time to leave and I'm so sad because I won't see a sunny, beautiful palm tree infested ocean anytime soon. Today was perfect. The UV rays were like super high. I definitely got some like safe sun, I can tell, because it wasn't like a burn, it was like a tan, and the red tide was actually still pretty bad here. Like, I was coughing. Yesterday I noticed I was coughing, and like everyone around me was. But all in all, still ended up being so great. I am sad, like I said, but I get to go see my family. It is a 2.5 hour drive to Orlando, so I don't think it's going to take 2.5 hours. I think it's going to take a lot longer than that because this is Florida and traffic is insane here. So hopefully I will be there in 2.5 hours and not anymore, but I'm not expecting that. However, that is a wrap on my day. I will update you obviously as I go, so I'll see you in probably 3 hours. Tub on, probably. Oh yes, it works. It does work, Hayden, doesn't it?
Oh yes.
Oh, good job.
No, we're not taking a bath. Oh, cool. Turn it off. All done.
She's like, yeah. All right, we gotta show the rest of the house.
Can you show us the toilet? Go this way.
Come on.
Hayden, come on. Let's go. Show us the next part. Casey, this is Mom's room.
Oh, then we got a closet. Oh yeah. And what are you grabbing? So pretty.
Come on. Next room.
You showing us your room, girlfriend? Look at this. Do you have Mickey? Look at. I gotta turn this light on. How do you turn this one on?
She unplugged it.
Aww. Are you jumping up in your bed? Are you jumping?
Hey.
All right, girly. Let's show the. Oh.
Next room.
Let's go. Let's see what else there is. Let's go, Hayden. Oh, you missed one. Come here. Look at. We gotta try this one. This one's a little already moved in. This is the Star Wars room.
We have some clothes laid out.
Lots of clothes already laid out for the week. But yeah, this room's.
What do you think?
Oh wait, turn the lightsaber on.
Oh, it's.
Oh, that is so cool, and it shines up on the ceiling. All right, girl, let's go show your first room that you were in.
Come on.
Come on, girlfriend.
Let's move on. Down the hall. Let's go. Run. Come on, let's go.
Oh,
my gosh,
thank you.
garbage.
Picking up a. Here, let me take it. Yes, trash. Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my goodness, a huge hallway in here, a cute little space.
Yes. Oh, we're going in here. We're gonna go
Grandma's room.
Okay, show us. What is there in here?
This room is also so cute. Are you gonna jump on that bed too? Make sure. Yep, it works. You're making me so nervous when you're to the edge, girly. And then bathrooms in here. We're kind of already moved in. Oh, what are you doing?
She doesn't know. Okay, ready?
All right, you gotta go see the princess
Let's
room.
show the princess room. Let's go.
Woo! Oh,
Hey,
you missed
hey,
it.
right
You
here.
missed it.
Right here. Show us the room.
Come on.
Go.
Also, already kind of moved my stuff in here. But this is so cute.
Oh.
Oh, you got the crown. Oh, you're silly.
Girl, she's like, oh, I have something in my hair.
Oh,
All right, so we're chilling.
We're trying to learn science.
We are trying to learn science. We are chilling outside, and we were literally talking, and I saw this huge glow orb orange thing, and at first we didn't know what it was.
Let's go the other way.
But look at that.
Start, guys.
What
is that?
It literally looked like a street lamp from like. It just kept moving, and
Street lamp.
it looked like the size of the street lamp out there, but it was like very orange, and we found out it was a space. The March 2nd NASA SpaceX Crew 6. They're spending 6 months up there. We don't know if it's going into space.
TBD, we're not sure.
Not sure. Going to steal the moon. Anyways, it was a great day here. We swam in the pool. The house is very nice, and
That's very cold.
the hot tub is very cold. And we saw a space launch thing.
From the backyard.
From the backyard, and we didn't know. So, yeah, that's a wrap. See you in the morning.
They are astronauts.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's really bad. Time it was. Oh, it's 10:01! Woo!
It's beauty time.
Say, let's show her. Say, ta-da! And bow.
Aww.
Show Aunt Jess. Show Aunt Jess. Let's do it. Ready?
Oh, you want to spin?
Ready? Ta-da! And bow.
Aww. Good morning. Paz, can you say good morning? No, we're going pool time. We're gonna go swim. We already had breakfast. The girls look so cute in their little swimmies and swimsuits. And here, you can see them right here. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're going to the resort pool. It's gonna be fun. There's a lazy river, and what else is there? A pool.
TBD, we don't know.
We're gonna find out. Hayden did not like the lazy river or the splash bag. She wanted to go on the slide. So we're back home now, and we're probably just gonna swim the rest of the evening. So we're in Target, and literally there's so much stuff here. This is such a beautiful Target, and so we're shopping and we're buying a couple things.
That we don't need, but we do need.
And then we're getting Panda Express too. So, and then I have to go. Unfortunately. So yeah, we're enjoying our time in Target with all of the things that normally aren't stocked in our Targets. $100 of food. Thank you. Oh, did you go kiss me? Thank you. Bye. Can I have kisses? Aw, thank you. I am so sad to be leaving Florida. I'm on my way to the airport right now. It has been literally such an awesome week. I am so grateful that I got to spend some time in the sunshine state. I literally cannot say that. But like I said, I'm on my way to the airport, so I will be ending the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I hope that you had an amazing day, and I will see you next week.